Hi everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is budget line, and we will see how we can draw a budget line. So, first of all, we will discuss that theoretically what is meant by budget line. Basically, budget line is also called the price line that shows different combination of two goods and options of two commodities like X and Y that the consumer can purchase by spending his income at the given prices of both the commodities. Basically, every individual have a limited budget and he have to manage his or her expenses according to that budget line. Every month we are having a fixed amount of salary, so we have to allocate our budget, allocate our expenses according to that limited amount of money. So basically we can write budget line or the budget equation mathematically as I equals to x p of x plus x y py. Here I is showing the level of income, x is showing the number of unit of x, px is showing the price of x, y is showing the number of unit of y, and py is showing the price of y. Now let's discuss all these things through a table. Here we have an example of an individual who have the limited budget of $50 and the price of rice PR is showing the price of rice which is $10 and PW is the price of wheat which is equals to 5, and here are the different combinations, and this is the budget allocation or the budget line. So if that particular consumer is not purchasing any unit of rice, then he can purchase a maximum 10 unit of wheat. As the 1 unit wheat price is 5, so he can purchase 10 unit of wheat with his limited budget when he is not taking any unit of rice. So the total budget is equals to 50. Here we have put 0. Why? Because he is not buying any unit of good of rice. So 10 into 0 which is equals to 0 and 10 multiplied by 5 equals to 50. So when he is buying 1 unit of rice and the price of 1 unit of rice is $10, so the remaining budget for wheat is 40. So with the amount of $40 he can purchase 8 unit of wheat because 1 unit price is 40. So 1 unit price of wheat is 5. So he can purchase maximum number of unit of wheat is 8. So 10 into 1 and 8 into 5 equals to 40 plus 10 equals to 50. And when he is buying 2 unit of rice and the 1 unit rice price is 10, so he allocated his budget of 20 rupees in the consumption of rice. So the remaining budget is $30 and the price of 1 unit of wheat is 5. So he can purchase maximum number of unit of wheat is 6 because he has remaining budget of $30 and the price of wheat is 5. So he can purchase maximum number of unit for wheat is 6. So he has purchased 2 unit of wheat. So 10 into 2 plus he has purchased 6 unit of wheat and 1 unit wheat price is 5. So 6 into 5 30, 10 into 2 20, 30 plus 20 equals to 50, and similarly goes on. And at F combination he is buying 5 unit of rice and 1 unit uh, uh, price of rice is 10. So he is allocating all of his budget on the consumption of rice and the remaining budget is 0. So he cannot purchase any unit of wheat. So we are putting here 0 for wheat. So when he is purchasing or spending all of his income on the consumption of rice, so he is maximum can purchase 5 unit for rice, as the 1 unit rice price is $10, so 10 into 5 equals to 50. So now we will draw this all in a graph. Here on y-axis we have taken the number of unit of wheat, and x-axis we have taken the number of unit of rice. So when he is purchasing 10 unit of wheat, he is spending all of his income on wheat, so he is not purchasing any unit of rice. So 0 and 10, here is the first combination. When he is purchasing 1 unit of rice, so and at that moment he is purchasing 8 unit of wheat, and similarly goes on all these combination. So when we draw all these points, and after drawing all these points, when we join all these points, we have a budget line here. Budget line can rotate and shift as well. Budget line rotate when there is a change in price of X or change in price of good Y, and it will be shifted when there is a change in income.